In the ancient kingdom of Babylon, a fiery trial awaited three brave men, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Refusing to worship King Nebuchadnezzar's golden statue, they faced the king's wrath and were cast into a blazing furnace. Yet, as the flames roared, a miraculous sight unfolded. Witnesses saw not just three, but four figures walking unscathed within the fiery maw. The presence of a divine protector spared them, igniting a testament to unwavering faith. When the flames finally ceased, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego emerged unharmed, leaving the astonished king to proclaim the power of their steadfast devotion. Their story endures, inspiring countless to hold firm in their beliefs.